I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse. You know, Mother's Day just right around the corner.
Right around
Seems
the
to come
corner.
up pretty quickly.
It does.
Especially
every
for
year,
us guys. It's just,
which is great.
yeah, every
great.
year. And there's a lot of different types of things that you can get here. I mean, yeah, of course you have plants, but there's other items that you can get, like these bluebirds, which are pretty cool looking. These are interesting.
They're pretty unique.
pieces
We
of
actually had
pottery
those
here.
made for us. Took a picture and sent it off, and the sculptor was able to do it. And so we've had them now. This will be our second season, and very popular. Mother's Day, great gift ideas. Price point's very reasonable, so it works really well. Also, the things around here, Jeff, you and I have been talking over the past couple of weeks about combo pots and different things. We've still got a great selection of hanging basket combo pots, and really all you got to do is do I have sun or do I have shade, and then we can even help you figure that out if you're not sure if you have sun or shade. It'd be a great selection to choose from.
Yeah, this a lot here, especially this time of year. So, you know, a good idea, maybe, you know, if your dads that are out with their sons or daughters, you know, stop over here, just kind of browse around a little bit, and you can find something. I mean, you can find an item like this or a plant.
Yeah, and we'll have more stuff come in really the Friday before Mother's Day. We'll be getting a lot of more stuff in. So she said, bring your sons, your daughter. It's good to be out here and be interactive with them to pick out a Mother's Day present. The things we have here are gonna, I mean, cut flowers are okay, but the things we have here are gonna last them all the way to frost if you choose one of our combo pots, and some of the other things will last for years.
And then Father's Day, not too long
Father's
after that.
Day is not too far after that. And when you come back, we're going to talk about all the good tools and stuff we have for Father's Day. But go ahead.
It's always fun to have, tools are always fun.
Tools
That's
are always
usually
fun.
an easy one.
For Mama, though, she's probably not wanting the tools quite as much. I do have some good gloves inside we could show that would be a great present, as well as, you know, Julie and Jennifer, they do a great job in the gift shop. So the lanterns, the candles, the soaps, all those kind of things, if that's what you want to do for Mother's Day as well, we can wrap it for you. So odds are, if you can't find something to get, you're going to be able to find it here at the Good Earth Garden Center.
All right, yeah,
All right.
You'll find it here, one-stop shop for Mother's
One-stop
Day, and
shop.
maybe even Father's Day too.
Yep.
So, all right, that's about all the time we have for this week. Join us back here next week for the Good Earth Greenhouse.